제 얼굴 표정을 보셨어야 했습니다.
I got to where we're going next.
물살이 너무 세가지고 TV가 살짝 밀리더라도 말도 안 나온다. 물살이 세가지고 TV가 밀리더라고요. 근데 문제는 더 넘어야 돼요. 이를 어쩌면 좋냐. 마크 지금 위에 올라가서 체크하고 있거든요. Did you see?
I can see where they went, but I think we're gonna take a different route
Okay.
because they went in here. You can see the tire tracks, and out there.
But I think we can go up here and just cross directly.
Okay.
Let's just try that.
Ready? Wow. Already getting stuck, huh? Ready? Here we go. Okay, got through that section. That last section ready? This last one is really deep.
Oh my god, I need to breathe. I seriously need to breathe.
Here we go, ready?
Ready.
Look at first on it's quite deep.
건넜어요. 마지막 남았는데 제가 숨을 못 쉬겠습니다, 여러분. Oh my god.
That's so deep, but it's really sandy.
How about the area?
This area's not good at all. It's super deep.
Yeah, right. Okay, ready?
That's so deep. Woo! We got through.
We got through. 여러분, 건넜어요. Oh my goodness. 해냈다. 그치?
Now 2 more rivers to go.
I feel like it's done.
That was the first river.
여러분, 끝난 게 아니래요. 끝났다고 좋아했었는데 2개 더 남았답니다. And then that is the 3 things you meant. I thought, oh man.
What a relief it was to get through the first set of rivers. But as we started crossing the second set, we realized it was too dark and the river was too wide for us to cross safely. So we found a spot to set up camp, and we would tackle the river the next day.
How was your day today?
I mean, I'm so drained right now because I just went through
Yeah.
some
Not
of the
hell.
worst roads I've ever seen in my life. They're
Yeah, me
not.
too.
They shouldn't even be considered roads. My brain is kind of drained. That's why I have this.
What is the beer name?
Singer. I highly recommend it.
It's like a Mongolian beer.
Yeah, this is the light version.
We love the light
Both
version.
of them are good,
Yeah.
but we especially like the light. Even though it's tough,
Worth it.
100% worth it. Now we're gonna drink and eat dinner.
It's already 11 p.m.
And hopefully tomorrow we won't be stuck in the river.
You just remind me, and I'm just gonna have another nightmare dream.
We've crossed how many so far? 5 today. No, 6. The first one. Oh, was that a pond or a river? That was a river.
River.
So 6 we've crossed 6 so far today.
I knew that like we were gonna cross 1 or 2 times, but I didn't expect that we were gonna cross like 6 rivers a day.
Yeah. Tomorrow we've got at least 5 or 6 more to go.
Our adventures keep going on.
We're making pasta tonight,
Yeah.
but we'll probably end this video right now. Ready? I want to do it.
You're gonna hit the camera with
No,
that
I'm
part?
not going to hit the camera. Watch.
Honey, we already broke the one camera lens, so be careful. I'm giving you warning.
I'm an expert. Watch. Nice. Turn on?
Yeah. It must be cold now. Oh, this is sit down.
Hi. What are you doing?
Taking a shower. Oh man, it's cold. Oh, engine died. 굿모닝입니다, 여러분. 저희는 어제 잘 자고 그리고 아침에 샤워를 하고 강을 건너려고 계획을 잡고 있는데요. 강이 너무 깊어서 지금 주변을 조사해야 될 것 같은데 마침 현지인분이 지금 그 강을 건너려고 해서 지켜보고 있는데 오토바이가 꺼졌다가 지금 다시 켜졌습니다. 엄청 깊어요. 여기 부시 뒤에 또 다른 모터사이클로 이제 투어링 하시는 분이 있어요. 그분도 지금 강을 건너는 거에 어려움을 느껴서 저기 반대편에 있고요. 저희도 지금 어떻게 해야 될지 모르겠어요. 강을 건널 수 있을지. 며칠 전부터 계속 비가 내려가지고 한 2일 정도 비가 내려가지고 좀 물이 깊긴 깊거든요. 현지인도 못 건너면 저희는 도전하지 않는 게 좋다고 생각을 하고 있습니다. Today what?
Trying to find the bridge.
Yeah. How did you find the bridge? Where did you hear it?
The locals told us.
That motorcycle, right?
Yeah.
그 모터사이클 엔진 까졌던 그 팀이랑 결국 얘기를 했어요. 로컬 분이었고 바디랭귀지를 사용해서 마크가 얘기를 했는데 5km 앞에 그 다리가 있대요. 그래서 그 다리를 찾아가지고 건너야 될 것 같습니다. 다른 모터사이클 한 분, 러시아에서 오신 분 같은 경우에는 포기하고 그 다리 찾으러 갔고요. 저희도 다리를 찾으러 갈 건데 그게 정확하게 어디 있는지 잘 모르겠어요. 맞지?
Right.
그럼 다리 찾으러 고고고! Let's go look at it. 일단 현진이 말한 5km를 좀 왔는데 다리는 보이진 않고 트랙 그 자동차 간 길이 있어가지고 가서 확인해 보려고요.
A little bit muddy.
Yeah, I can see. If we use this part.
I guess they just go out that way.
Let me just check it. Okay? Here it's really good. You can see the tire tracks in here.
Yeah. But the problem is over there. You know, after you cross.
Right, there could be another river, right?
Oh. It's die. I don't know. It's like your leg part sunk.
I'm gonna follow it, okay? Just wait.
오케이. 실은 여러분, 제가 오늘 아침부터 정신이 없었습니다. 굿모닝을 하자마자 그 현지인 그 오토바이가 엔진이 꺼지질 않나 완전 잠겼거든요. 확. 그리고 다른 사람도 막 강 못 건너고 막 이러고 있는 것도 보이고 이래가지고 샤워하자마자 정신이 없었어요. 막 어떡해 카메라는 잡아야겠고 이야기는 해야겠는데 내 상태가 별로 안 좋네 이런 거 있잖아요. 물이 불어난 게 확실한 것 같아요. How was over there?
Wow, I had to walk like over half a kilometer.
Yeah, you went there pretty long.
There's like maybe 7, 8 streams that we have to cross, but they're all crossable.
6, 7,
Yeah.
8?
Yeah, like this is probably the biggest one here.
Okay.
And after that, they're all smaller than this one.
결국 다리를 찾지 못해서 강을 건너기로 했습니다. Are you ready?
Yep. Okay, stream 1 and 2 done.
You say 6, 7, 8 or 6 or 8?
Yeah, I can't remember. We'll see how far this is. It's a really far drive. There's a couple sections that are muddy. This is the longest muddy section. This is what I'm a little bit worried about. Okay, we got through that part. That's 3, 4, 5. Maybe it was more than 5. Here's number 6. This one's a little bit muddy too. But this one's pretty rocky on the bottom. So I'm worried about that one. That was number 6, right?
I didn't remember.
Yeah, that was number 6. Little muddy section here we gotta go through. Got through that part. This is Mongolia.
Lucy, breathe. Breathe.
You see, it's pretty far, right?
우리 사파리 가는 거 알지 지금? 아프리카가.
That was 7. This is number 8. This is the last one.
That's the last one.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get out of this one. Actually, no. I didn't walk across this one. Just other and just up there. Just turn around. Around that way.
여러분 강 다 건넜습니다.
Nope. Still have
아니야?
to stay at.
강 다 안 건넜대요. 뭐 이렇게 긴데 강이. 8 끝난 거 아니었나? 네. 땀난다. 여튼 여러분 강 다 건넌 거 아니래요. 땀 남았대요.
어려 저 갔으나 없나
Yeah, here, right?
여기까지 온다고?
없나
어.
Okay.
요 이게
Yeah, we'll go for it.
저, 저,
강 건너기 실패입니다. 마지막 강이 너무 커서 다시 돌아가는 중입니다. Adventure, right?
Yeah, the adventure.
Yeah. But we found that this little village is
Yeah.
really nice.
That mud house.
Oh yeah, it is mud house. Yeah, something you never find it on the map. Just
Right.
discover something on the road, right?
Building a new
뉴
car.
게를 지금 게를 짓고 있습니다. 보이죠? 어떻게 지어지는지?
We continued to search, but no place was safe enough to cross. At this point, we put down our cameras and stopped filming. With the river levels so high, it would be impossible for Tubi to make it across. We knew there was a real possibility that we would have to turn back. Maybe all the way back to the northern border crossing over 1,000 kilometers away.
Don't miss our final episode in Mongolia. You won't believe what's about to happen. But for that, you will have to wait till next time. I'm Lucy. What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment. It will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit that like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. Right next to subscribe button, there is a bell button. If you click the button, you will get notification when we upload the videos. But if you don't, you might miss our videos a lot. So if you didn't click bell button, please go there and then click it. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!